Hi everybody. Uh, so I didn't do an update yesterday, so today is an update for both days 6 and 7. Uh, Not much difference between the two. So I went to see my doctor today and he changed the dressing, which is good. Let me show you. And as you can see, the leg is still swollen. I got the compression sleeves, actually two, but I just using one. uh, so I got the compression sleeves and they are helping to keep everything together and hopefully improving blood flow. Uh, the doctor supposedly doesn't recommend these, but I didn't figure out why. So, but I asked him specifically, is it okay if I use it? And he said yes. So that's a good thing. So I'm planning to use it on and off. Uh, I think when I'm walking around, I'm planning to use the compression sleeve. When I'm resting and my leg is elevated, I'll take the compression sleeve off. It's tight, so you don't want to have it on all day long. Okay, so the update, everything after 7 days, today is day 7. After 7 days of lying down and being at home, like everything hurts. Like last night I spent probably 8 hours in bed and I slept 3 out of those 8. I just could not find a good position. Everything was painful. Like no matter how I lay down, something was pushing or hurting. And I did take one oxycodone before going to bed, but that didn't make much difference. So I don't know. The doctor gave me some more, so that's good. So maybe I'll take two today or tonight and see if I can get better sleep. But yeah, it was pretty miserable. Hence the sad face on my whiteboard. I don't know if you can see the whole thing. Uh, Still, because I didn't get much sleep last couple nights, I'm kind of not doing much interesting things during the day. I'm just trying to take a nap here and there. Today I went to the doctor, which was a tough thing on its own. Just to get in the car was really tricky. And again, my belt here, this is just such an awesome device for me. I use it all the time, everywhere I go. Okay, so I got a bunch of exercises from my physical therapist, 5 of them actually, and I'm supposed to do them every day. Uh, so I got them on Monday. Today is Wednesday. So I did my 3 sets Monday and I did my 3 sets yesterday. But today I'm just so like everything hurts essentially again. Maybe because I don't take any pain medication. It's not a bad pain, but it just hurts all the time. so 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 anyway, so I think I'm just gonna rest mostly today. So just for this video, I'm gonna do a few of these exercises so that you can see my range of motion and the exercises that I do, and then I'm gonna go and rest. Elevate, ice. I haven't iced today yet, and like I'm trying to essentially, like before this video I was stretching, not my knee but just my other body parts like my back, and just to be uh, you know just to have my blood flow kind of going. I wish I could go for a walk or something, but not today, and I guess not anytime soon. Uh, Also talked with the doctor about going back to work, and he he was amused by me trying to go to work. I was actually trying to go to work. Originally, the plan was just after 1 day of resting, and he said I will need at least 2 weeks. So I'll update my boss. Hopefully, she'll be okay with it. Okay, let me show you the exercises that I do. I'll do less repetitions so that the video doesn't get too boring. Uh, so first one is the heel slide here. Heel slide. I've been doing those before, I think. So all you have to do is slide. Let me actually adjust the camera a tiny bit so that I fit in. So hill slides, I'm supposed to do 25. These are tough. So I do 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, the other leg is supposed to be straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so I'll just do 10, and you can see this is all the range of motion I got, which is pretty bad. I wish I had more. Next one, again lying down, the quad isometrics. I have it. Ankle pumps, heel slides, and quad isometrics. Those are the 3 exercises that I can do right now. So the quad isometrics, supposed to do them lying down, but so that you guys can see. Just put a roll towel or folded towel under your leg. By the way, my knee doesn't come all the way down, so I cannot push all the way down, though I wish I could. And so you just press and hold, and press and hold, and tighten your quads here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and I'm supposed to do 20 of these. So the next one is the knee extension. It looks like this. I'm supposed to have like a roll or something under my knee and lift my leg. But I cannot do it. So all I can do is help with my belt and just try to help a little bit with my knee. Okay. The next one, so I didn't even write it because I cannot really do these. The ankle pumps, of course, those I do all the time. Those are the easy one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the last one I'm supposed to do are leg raises. Again, lying on my back, but I I need to use the belt. So leg raise, essentially tighten all the muscles here and then lift your leg. And so I'm helping with my arm, but trying to do it on my own. Okay, so those are the 5 exercises that I'm supposed to do. I can do really just the 3 of them, and I will stretch a little bit. I will do, other, just my overall quick body workout, and then I go and rest. Have a good day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow or the day after tomorrow.